Is your leaking tap driving you up the wall? A tap dripping once per second could be wasting over 12,000 litres of water per year. I'm Alex, and I'm here to tell you about leaking taps and give you a few tips to stop the drip. A leaking tap can be caused by loose, broken or corroded parts, excessively high water pressure or even just old age. Depending on the problem and if the extent of the damage, a simple repair by a qualified plumber can fix the leak, but often a full replacement is required. If that annoying drip is driving you nuts while you wait for a plumber to repair your leaking tap, here are a couple of things you can do in the meantime. First, be sure to catch wasted water in a container. You're paying for it, so you might as well save it and use it later. What about that constant dripping noise? Simply take a piece of string, tie it around the tap, get your scissors, cut the ends so it touches the basin, align the string, the bottom, so it drops are caught by it, and instead of it falling and making that awful dripping sound, it will silently run down the string. Leaking tap repairs is one of Metropolitan Plumbing's specialties. Call the team on 1300 367 333 and an expert plumber can stop the drip today.